Is CCIV still bullish? Let's talk about it. Before we hop into the video, if you guys have not already hit that subscribe button, go hit that subscribe button and support the channel. We're almost to 900 subscribers, so let's hit that goal by the end of February. Also, if you guys have not joined the Discord server, that'll be the first link in the description. It's a great place to learn and grow yourself in the stock market. We also have a great community there as well. I do watch us 2 times a week, and I also do tons of calls throughout the entire market open. Now let's talk about CCIV today. So today we're going to be talking about how CCIV has done so far. So on Friday, CCIV ended around $54.29 at the bid price, and then $54.40 at the ask price. So around the $54 range. Closed at $52 in the normal hours, and then $54 in the after hours. We saw a big dip to a hitting a low of $50 in the normal market hours, and in the pre-market a high of $62. Overall, in the week, we saw a huge run up all the way to the $60 range, which was very good and very promising for the stock. So it hit around $64 throughout the week. Now, the reason for this was because CNBC and many other places were talking about how CCIV is getting closer to having a deal done, or a merger deal done with Lucid Motors, and which is a very big thing. This is why CCIV has been bullish for the past couple of months, and why people have been hyping up the stock and really trying to find good buy points, and why it ran from almost $10 all the way to $64. So now the question is it still a good buy? We see a huge run up all the way from in the beginning of the week of $38 all the way to high $64, and now we see a dip while we end the week. Is it a good buy? So the chart pattern that we have to look at here is the 180-day chart. We already know that the stock is already oversold completely. It's very much overbought, and it's overvalued overall because of that news, and there's just been a ton of buying power, but it's not the level that it should be at currently because there has been no merger announcement, and that's the only thing that would keep it to the price levels and say, okay, that might be a little decent buy point. So right now we're looking at the 180-day chart. We can see the chart, we can see that there's going to be a sell-off. We can see just off of the MACD, there's going to be a sell-off, but overall the stock is very bullish. We can look at these Ichimoku charts, and we can notice that it's very much bullish. It's above these bullish clouds here, and we can see it's above the 10-can, it's a little under the 10-can line, so it's still bullish, but when it's above the 10-can line, that means it's going to move up. So that white line that you guys see right here, it is a little under. So in order for it to move up and run again, it would need to break this line. If we want to see a breakout run again, it's going to need to break that resistance point of 64, that high of $64, but it's still going to, right now it's dipping, right? So we can see that right now is not the best time to buy. We want to wait for that sell-off. We want to wait for that downtrend to complete and hit its bottom. We can see on the STC line chart right here, we can see that it's just hitting that around $25 line mark right here, and it has a little bit more to go and bottom out over Monday when markets open, and then a little bit on Tuesday. And we should look out for the chart patterns on here to see whether it's a good play if it's hit the bottom. So right now it's currently not a good buy, very much overbought. It needs a little bit more, it needs a couple more days, probably a day or two before it settles down towards the bottom. Again, this is on the 4-hour chart, 180-day 4-hour chart, if you guys are interested in looking at it as well. In my opinion, if I were to look into buying this as well, I would wait probably for a little bit more dip. It has a little bit more to go down. I can't predict what price it's going to hit, but I can predict where it's going to hit around the bottom. We can see this huge bar, so I'm expecting it's going to bottom up somewhere in this bar line, but I can't expect, obviously, I can't put out a price because, you know, the stock is very much volatile and can go both sides. But we can see the RSI here. It's showing that there's a little volume tick up, so there might be a little movement before it fully downtrends, but it's still going to be on a downtrend for sure, and it's going to take a couple of days for that downtrend to complete. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that like button. Also, please comment down if you guys have any questions about this stock or any other stock. I'll happily answer all those questions down below. And again, we're almost to 900 subscribers. Let's go hit that subscribe button and get the channel to 900 subscribers by the end of this month. And also the Discord link will be down below. It will be the first link in the description. Again, it's a great place to learn and grow yourself in the stock market. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.